Wait, don't buy expensive party decor until you see this. I made these Paw Patrol balloon columns myself, and I'm adding a statement number balloon to take it to the next level. This is a Paw Patrol-inspired spiral balloon column with a gold number 3 foil balloon and themed character. Balloons, all done step by step and beginner-friendly. For one column, I used 32 latex balloons, 8 of each color: white, yellow, red, and black. Inflate each to about 10 inches so everything stays uniform. Since I made 2 columns, I used 64 balloons total. And always keep extra balloons nearby, in case popping happens. Start by building your base or using a balloon column stand. Then begin prepping your balloons by tying them into duos, 2 balloons tied together. After that, twist 2 duos together to form a quad. This quad is your building block for the entire column. Now here's where most people mess up. The spiral comes from consistency. When forming your quads, keep your color pattern intentional. For example, white and red paired, then yellow and black. Repeat that same pattern so the spiral forms cleanly as you stack. Start stacking your quads onto the base, 1 layer at a time. After placing each quad, rotate slightly in the same direction. That rotation is what creates the spiral effect, so stay consistent all the way up. If you switch directions, the spiral breaks. Keep each quad tight and snug. If anything feels off, adjust it right away. Also check your balloon pattern to avoid throwing off the entire look. Continue stacking until you reach your desired height. Once you're at the top, take a step back and adjust your balloons, slightly so the spiral pattern really stands out. Now for the statement piece, the gold number 3 foil balloon. Inflate it according to instructions. Then attach it to the top or slightly in front of your column using curling ribbon or fishing line. Position it so it's secure and centered. It should stand out, but still feel connected to the design. To bring the theme together, I'm adding Paw Patrol foil balloons. For the topper balloon, I use a 260 balloon and attached it to the bottom of the Paw Patrol balloon. For the other Paw Patrol themed foil balloons, you can attach these around the top section or slightly off to the side of the column. Use glue dots or balloon tape to secure them without damaging the latex balloons. This instantly transforms your column into a themed centerpiece. For my full setup, I created 2 columns and repeated the exact same process so everything looks balanced and cohesive. Once everything is in place, adjust your balloons one last time for shape and spacing, and add the finished details and designs how you like it. And that's it, your Paw Patrol-inspired spiral balloon column. Everything I used is linked in my Amazon storefront, so you can recreate this easily. Save this for your next event, and follow for more simple tutorials that look expensive but aren't.